Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today, instead of a cleaning video, I have a closet slash office makeover, or Cloffice as people like to call it. So I moved into this house in November, so about 4 months ago, and I have this closet that's pretty big, and I really don't need that much space. So I condensed everything onto the left side and decided to turn the right side of my closet into an office, since it is only a 1 bedroom and I don't have any other space to put an office. So first thing first was to take everything out of the closet, and then the next day I started working on taking off the shelves. And as you guys will see, I'm wearing a bunch of different clothes throughout this video. This took me weeks. I didn't get it done in a short amount of time. I kept doing a little bit of work, taking some time off, and then I had to wait because I ordered stuff. So that's why you guys will see me in 20 million different outfits. But yeah, I took all the shelves off the walls. And like I said in the title, this is a DIY project on a budget. I think for everything, including the floors, the desk, the paint, I spent under $200. Now, I did have some of the storage shelves. You guys will see I had the chair, the desk chair already. My mom had it, but it was brand new. So if you guys are doing something similar to this and you don't already have some stuff, you might spend more than that. But for me, I didn't want to spend an arm and a leg to redo something that only I'm going to see. And it ended up turning out actually pretty amazing. I'm surprised, and I'm so proud of myself for doing it by myself. So I didn't show all the footage because I didn't want to bore you guys. I'm literally just painting white over white. But here, I'm going to give you guys a quick update because I forgot to record a lot of it. Okay, guys, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of an update because I didn't record everything that I did. So, as you can see, I painted, well, you might not be able to tell because the painting job is absolutely terrible, but I painted this, just went over again with a white coat because it had a lot of scuffs and stuff. And then this wall had black marks, which you can still kind of see a little bit because I only did one coat, but I just wanted to look a little bit more crisp. So I painted the side because I couldn't get those planks off. Maybe eventually one day I'll get someone to come help me, but for now I just painted over them. And then the biggest thing, which made the biggest difference, is the floor. So I use this peel and stick floor, which I didn't record it and I didn't even think about it until after, by Nexus Plank, and they are self-adhesive vinyl floor planks. I got the light gray oak color, and I ordered one and it wasn't enough. I don't know why I thought one was enough. It comes with 10 planks that are this size, and I was doing my whole closet, so I had to order 2 more, and I finally did it. Literally, like it said, it has a sticker on the back, and you just peel and stick it, and then you can cut it, if it doesn't go all the way, you can cut them into smaller pieces. So it's not perfectly. I didn't finish over here because I don't care enough and nobody is going to see it. And it's not perfect. It's coming up a little bit right here, and that's my fault. I didn't prep the floor as well as I should. This part, though, some of the pieces came with broken corners, which kind of bothers me. But like I said, I'm the only one really going to be up here, and it looks so much better than it did before. And I did it through my whole closet. So I put the desk together, what you guys saw, and then I used one of my side tables. These are the Alex drawers from IKEA, and I put it under there. I don't know exactly if that's how it's going to stay. I'm not sure. My idea right now is to put all my school supplies in there. I have a chair that I have to put together that will go here, and then my printer, I'm thinking, will go on top of here, and extra supplies and stuff will go down there. So we'll see. Today's the day. I'm going to hang some stuff on the walls. Nothing crazy. I just want to put a clock up and maybe my calendar and maybe one other thing. I can't figure out how to put the shelf on, so I'm not doing that today. And then I want to show you guys, this is the aftermath of what happens when I organize something. I have boxes of stuff. This is stuff still from my old house that I never took out of the box. That's some stuff I'm decluttering. I have way too many folders for whatever reason. Paint stuff. This is everything I took out of the closet. The carpet, the shelves, all of that good stuff. This is more stuff from my old house that I literally just picked up yesterday. Guys, I moved in November. So this is stuff I have to go through and organize. And then today, so like I said, today is the goal to organize in there. All of my school supplies are in here. So I want to declutter because I don't need this many school supplies. Put what's left in there and then leave this open for other storage. I don't want this to take up all school supplies. I feel like that's a waste. So, enough talking and let's get to work.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take.
If you guys haven't been around for very long and you're wondering why I have so many school supplies, which is a very valid question, I ask myself this all the time. I used to be an extreme couponer, and at the end of like back to school season, so like September, October, school supplies go on clearance. So I used to stock up and like not just like kind of a little bit of clearance, like this stuff would drop to like 90% off. So I would be getting it for like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 cents per thing, which is great. And this is stuff I do use, but I just have way too much of it. So I put it all away in a box, the stuff that I wasn't going to keep, and I'm like kind of slowly passing it out to people that I know have kids or like need school supplies, because I know a lot of people are at home doing schools still. So I didn't just throw it all away, but I did, I want to say, cut out about 40% of the stuff I had, which for me is good, guys. Please don't come for me. But yeah, if you're wondering, that's why. And that's why I have a lot of stuff. If you guys have been around for a while, I have a stockpile still. Like it is hard for me sometimes to get rid of things, but I don't want to qualify myself as a hoarder, because at the same time, like I really don't like clutter. I like to keep things that are functional. So I don't really put myself in that category, but I mean, maybe you put me in that category because it looks like I have a lot of stuff. Oh, by the way, there's my cat. Again, if you guys are new here, she appears in like every video because she's nosy and just wants to be in the middle of everything. So there she is. Her name is Callie. She's like 4 years old and I love her to death. Alright guys, so this is everything I'm keeping. I know it seems like a lot, but I'm pretty proud of myself. So I'm getting rid of all these folders and then everything in here. So I'm proud of myself. Now it's time for the fun part, which is to put everything here.
Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my...
Alright guys, here is the final product of my Cloffice office makeover. I'm so happy. I played around with the layout a little bit and I came up with this because I'm able to fit everything I need in it this way. So let me just give you guys a quick tour. So this is my desk. I got it off of Amazon. It's super simple, like no shelf or drawers or anything. It has that cool design on the back. Took me like 10-15 minutes to put together. I think it was like $60 or $70. I'll have it linked down below if you guys are interested. Up top I have this organizer. I want to say I got it from like TJ Maxx forever ago, but I don't remember honestly. In here I just keep like some planners, my label makers, scissors, a lighter, my label maker refills, and some tape. And then next to that I have this pen organizer, so obviously I keep pens, whiteout, and post-it notes, as well as some post-it notes right there. And then I just keep my laptop on here. All right, moving on to the side over here, I actually just moved some things around because of how the plug thing works, but I'll explain that in a second. So I have these two organizers. This one is the Alex drawers from IKEA, and this is, I don't know where this is from. Maybe IKEA, maybe Target. Honestly, don't remember. I have my printer set up here. This is an HP printer. I just got it, so I've only printed like one thing off, so I don't know how it is. Moving down, I have this organizer. I'm so sorry, guys. I've had a lot of this stuff forever. I want to say this is from IKEA, though. It has like these pull-out drawer things. So up here, I have my laminate paper stuff for my laminator. I have some coloring books down here because I like to color, duh. I have some stickers and stencils in there, some colored printer paper, and then down here is some white printer paper. Moving down here, I have this organizer. I have notebooks, folders, and binders in here. I keep my shredder right there in the middle. It fits perfectly. And then moving on to my Alex drawers. So I have my lamp up there. I don't know if I'm going to put anything up here. I guess we'll just have to wait and see. So let me show you guys how I organize these really quick. So the first drawer has a bunch of like random school supply stuff. I got staples, a stapler, whatever that stuff is called, sticker stuff, clips, just random stuff. I have whiteout glue, all my extra sticky notes, and my favorite pens. Next drawer is extra pens and pencils. As you guys saw, I decluttered. I still have a lot, so I might have to declutter again, but I have a weird attachment to school supplies. Like, I don't even know why. Next drawer is markers. I have Sharpies in here, and then extra markers, dry erase markers, Sharpies, pen, or crayons, and yeah. Next drawer is like extra, I don't know even what this is, like supplies. So I have my laminator, my paper cutter, my 3-hole puncher, another hole puncher, and my stapler. And the last drawer is, so this is like warranties and stuff, or like manuals. So like this is my soundbar one, my Roku, like all that good stuff just in case something breaks. And then this is like important paperwork. And then on the side, let me like zoom in a little. I have this plug. I literally just got it today from Amazon. So it has 3 regular plugs and then 3 USB plugs. And right now I just have my lamp and my printer plugged into there because they couldn't reach the plug that's right outside. And I just plugged that other plug in. That was a lot of plugs, but okay. Then on the wall, I just have this little clock. I literally got it from IKEA for like $3. I don't even know if that's the right time. I have to fix it. And then this planner from Walmart, I think. So yeah, guys, that is it. I'm super happy with how it came out. I'll have everything that I can link down below. And if you guys have any questions, definitely shoot them down below in the comments and let me know what you guys think. If you guys know, I want to put something on the wall. Like, I couldn't get these off. I probably could eventually, but it was too much work, so I just painted over them. I don't know if I want to put something. I might want to put like a sign right here, but I don't know. We will see. But for now, I'm super happy. It's so functional, and I can edit my videos and, you know, plan out my days right here. So thank you guys so much for watching, and be on the lookout for another video next Sunday. Bye.